Brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is the tendency of consumers to repeatedly purchase a particular brand's products or services over time, regardless of the actions of competitors or changes in price. It's built through positive customer experiences, consistent quality, and emotional connections. What is brand loyalty? It's more than just repeat purchases. It's a deep-seated preference for a specific brand. Loyal customers are less price-sensitive and more likely to recommend the brand to others. It's a valuable asset for businesses, leading to increased revenue and reduced marketing costs. Factors that drive brand loyalty: product quality, consistent and reliable product or service performance, customer experience, positive interactions with the brand at every touchpoint, emotional connection, building a sense of community or shared values with customers, rewards programs, incentivizing repeat purchases with discounts or exclusive offers, excellent customer service, prompt and helpful support when needed, brand values, aligning with customers' personal beliefs and values. Examples: Apple. Apple has a very strong base of loyal customers. Many Apple users consistently purchase new iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks, even when comparable products are available from competitors. This loyalty is driven by factors like the user-friendly ecosystem, sleek design, and perceived quality of Apple products. Starbucks. Starbucks has cultivated a loyal customer base through its consistent coffee quality, comfortable atmosphere, and rewards programs. Many customers have a strong emotional connection to the Starbucks brand, viewing it as a third place between home and work. Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson has an extremely loyal following among motorcycle enthusiasts. This loyalty is driven by a strong sense of community, shared values, and the iconic image of the Harley-Davidson brand. Harley-Davidson riders often feel like they are part of a family. Nike. Nike has built a strong brand loyalty through high-quality products and association with world-class athletes. Many people are loyal to Nike and will only buy Nike brand athletic wear. Benefits of brand loyalty: increased customer lifetime value. Loyal customers spend more over time. Reduced marketing costs. Retaining existing customers is cheaper than acquiring new ones. Positive word-of-mouth marketing. Loyal customers become brand advocates. Increased sales and revenue. Repeat purchases and referrals boost sales. Competitive advantage. Loyal customers are less likely to switch to competitors.